Nini spotted something shiny floating in the air. Toko used his bright shell to get a better look.
It was Poppi, the bubble fairy. Poppi brought a special rainbow bubble. But it was too heavy for Poppi to carry. Nini touched it, and the bubble glimmered.
Toko realized it was a lost rainbow wish bubble. The bubble drifted away, calling for help.
Nini dashed after it like lightning.
Toko rolled like a speedy turtle wheel.
Poppi guided the way with bubble arrows.
The bubble drifted into the rainbow woods. Nini climbed up to spot the bubble. Toko lit up the forest with his shining shell.
Poppi pulled out a bubble map. Bubble trail led deeper inside.
Nini leaped over glowing shroom steps. Toko bounced behind her, slow but funny.
Poppi found the bubble stuck in a tree. Tried together. Teamwork time.
Nini gave it a soft rescue tap.
The wish bubble thanked them with a glow. It floated home, safe and happy. The trio celebrated their bubble rescue. And so began many more bubble adventures. Forget to subscribe to our channel.